Oh my god, hi angels, welcome back to me and never leave me. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Why do I have to sing everything? It's like automatic, like anyway, so welcome back, and in today's video I'm here to sit down with you, kiki with y'all, and teach you how to put on foundation the proper way. So pretty much today's video is how to put the base of your face in a proper way so you can look snatched and you can be able to snatch yourself a sugar daddy because you don't want to pay your own bills. Then keep on watching, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That's Heaven's Little Demon if you want to see some of like the most iconic looks you've probably seen in a minute. So if you want to see how I recreated this mug, and if you want to learn anything else too about makeup, then keep on watching. Good morning everyone. So I'm so excited today. First of all, hi. I woke up with such an energy. This is like first time in a blue mood. Okay, I have too much energy. That's why I need to smoke in the morning. But hi, I'm here today to show you how to apply foundation in your base of makeup really well. So I'm just here to show you the basics of makeup. No eyebrows, no eyes, nothing. I'm here to show you how to apply your foundation nice and smooth. So when you start your base of your face, you always prime your face. And I prime my face by using eye cream. And the good thing about eye cream is you can use it all over your face because your face is the same, made out of the same skin everywhere. So eye cream is really good for everywhere, to put all over your face. Make sure you prime your face all nice so your face is ready to take that foundation. And primer, it's the one thing that's gonna make your like makeup like stay in place and like locked. Now after I prime my face and I have like a nice base on my face, it is time to color correct. So how I color correct is either I'm going to use orange, which I barely do, or I'm going to use really like concealer. So you're going to use the color correcting or the concealer to color correct and highlight. So the areas I want to highlight and the areas that I want to personally color correct is my beard area right here. So I want to make this brighter. My under eyes and my bridge of my nose so the contour can pop more. The T-zone, and my eyebrows so I can give them a nice clean cut. I like to color correct by using the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline. So I will go like around here, as you see, and I will take it all the way up to my sideburns because I saved them so they still have the dark undertone and underneath my neck. Okay, now I'm gonna go underneath my eyes just to give them that cocaine white color and say, hi, how are you, Miss Thing? The bridge of my nose, right there. My T-zone, because I'm about to spill some tea. And right there. It's time to grab a beauty blender or a brush, whatever type of you are. I'm a beauty blender girl. And it's time to grab... Okay, so what you want to do is grab the bottom of your beauty blender and bounce nice and slow. And you'll know that your color corrector is beautifully blended in when it becomes one with your skin. Like, do you see how nice these two skins blend in? And that's how you know your color corrector is blended in nice. Now just go ahead and blend it in everywhere and give you that like Barbie like effect. Okay, now that I said Barbie like, when I was little, my friend used to come over with her Barbie and we used to play. But surprisingly, my gay ass was never like into Barbies like that. I liked Action Man. Have you guys ever heard of Action Man? Like, this is the macho man of my life. Like, I used to play with Action Man all the time. In the early 2000s, these dolls were hella expensive, bitch. Like, they were in the like the 80s and 70s. My godmother, thank God that bitch was loaded. She was rich, thank God. So like, she used to bring me Action Man. She brought me his Jeep, his helicopter, his jet ski. That bitch like brought me everything. Now that you got your color correcting nice and smooth and you gave your face like a nice brightening effect, like to wake it up, it is time to come and apply foundation. Okay, so for foundation, this is an expensive one. It's about $60. No one wants to pay $60 for foundation, let me tell you. I know. But foundation is like really important for your skin because foundation can like make you not break out. It can work really good for your skin. But I'm gonna go in with my Dior Flash. And for foundation, this is a buildable foundation. So I'm not gonna put a lot. This is what I'm gonna put, and if I need more, I'm just gonna come and add. Because like I said, this is buildable. And bounce away. And blend you, like, look close in the mirror and see if the foundation is blended and everywhere. Because you want it to look smooth, like really smooth, and it's like all one piece with a color corrector on your skin. So now that I'm done with my foundation and everything, what I usually do is, if I don't set my eye really quick, well, back in my old routine, I used to contour right after foundation, but not anymore. I come and set my under eye, because if I don't set my under eye right away and keep blending it in until I set it, it keeps creasing. So the way I set my under eye is I get a setting powder, the one that works for me. So you just find a powder that works for you, great. And if you want, once again, a great drugstore setting powder, Airspun is the way to go for you, which I will use this in a little bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna come and set my under eye with the beauty blender. So I just go ahead and I apply it under there. And I'm just gonna let my eye bake to perfection, so it can have like a nice smooth finish and no creases. So now that we have a nice foundation base, it is time to come and contour. So how I'm gonna contour is, I'm gonna grab the 300 Medium Beige by Maybelline again, because it's a really nice contouring stick, because it's like really natural, but it's also there. You can add more with powder later. So how I personally contour is, so my cheekbone is right here, and I'm just gonna go underneath it. So I'm gonna start from here. So put your finger where your cheekbone is and go right underneath it. And drag a line. And then from the corner of the back, drag a line downwards and take it this way. So it can give you this effect, like your jaw is ready to cut a bitch. It's like a square. And it's gonna cut her. And then you just do the same on the other side. For nose, I'm not gonna go in detail. I'm gonna show you in another video how to crazy contour in detail. I just wanted to go a little quick over how to cheek contour. And now, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this in. Blend in the nose contour. Make my nose snatch. Oh my god, I love... Do you see the natural contour you created? Girl! Your sis looks snatched! Okay, so now that I'm done blending my contour, it is time to set the rest of the face. So, like I said earlier, great drugstore powder is the Airspun, so that's what I'm going to use. And I'm just going to go ahead and set the rest of my face. Oh, this smells... I don't know if you guys ever smelled the Airspun, but it smells so good. Okay, so I'm going to come and set my nose contour, which is right here. And then the rest of the eyes right here, and my brow bone, my freaking forehead, okay, so for my under contour, I'm gonna go literally where the dark contour is, underneath it, just to give it a highlight, so it can pull. Okay, and after you're done setting your face like that, here's a little quick cute tricks to do to make your foundation and your makeup extravagant popping, so you can get them compliments. You want to get a whiter translucent powder. This is in shade Coconut Powder by CI London, and you're going to highlight with a white powder your T-zone right here, honey. And then you're going to take the tip of the beauty blender and you're going to come grab a straight line down your nose, and that's going to be your nose highlight, like this. Well, a little smaller. Depends how snatched you want your nose. And a little bit over here. I literally let my powder on. I don't like to bake it for like 10-15 minutes. Sometimes I will do 10, but not all the time. So I love to leave my powder on for a good 5 to 10 minutes, and then I undust it up. And now I'm just gonna grab me a e.l.f. Powder brush, and I'm just gonna come and nicely undust my face. God, look at my under eye. They're awoke from the dead. And that's how you do your basic base foundation and color correcting and setting your face. So bitch, let me tell you, if you made it this close, congratulations, you're one closer to becoming pretty. So what I would love to do next is always just come and powder contour. So where you want to contour is where you didn't set is, that's where you're going to powder contour, and you're going to bring back the color of your contour. That's what we're doing right now. So right here and right here. Oh, do you see me? Girl, I'm ready to cut you, your man, his family, and now lightly just shape this jawline and eliminate the double chin. Oh! So good. So good. Okay, now if you really want to enhance that contour and give you like that central pay momentum and everything, you're just gonna go in with your little hula bronzer, and you're just gonna come give you that nice sun-kissed central pay awakening you were looking for. Oh, look at me. Straight off the private jet to the private beach. And now with a little bit of bronzer, I'm just gonna come and give my nose a little bit of a color back. Bitch. Okay, and that is about it about bronzing and contouring, which contour really changes the game. Okay, now to finish completely your contour is, what you want to do is grab a little brush like this, a little fluffy brush, and go back in with like a white foundation powder or white setting like powder like this, or white concealer powder, and come and clean your eye on the side to make the contour pop, and set your under eye to give it a Good Morning America effect. Do you see the difference? This eye and this eye. Last step is to clean your contour on the side to make it clear. There we go. Oh my god. Whew! I mean, already it looks so good already, and I don't even have eyebrows on. Please, if you follow this tutorial, tag me on Instagram so I can see what you look like, because I know you're gonna look so good. Amazing. Like, amazing. Okay, so by now I would have eyebrows on, but what I want to do first is I like to blush and highlight, because I like to highlight under my brow bow so I can have like a highlighter effect when my brows are on. So I'm gonna go ahead and blush right now. So I'm gonna grab a blush brush by e.l.f. and my Clinique blush in the shade Cheek Pop. And I'm just gonna come and blush my cheeks. And how I like to blush, once again, I like to mix my blush with my contour so it looks natural. There we go. Oh, I feel like a character already from Disney. I feel like Cinderella. I'm gonna come Cinderella your ass and take all your daddy's money. Like all. And his jet. Okay, so now obviously that I am done blushing my face, it is time to highlight my face. So I'm gonna grab a white highlighting shade with a fan brush, and I'm gonna come and put it underneath here first. Give me that effect. There we go. Do you see the difference? Yeah. So I'm gonna give that effect to my underbrow first. And I'm also gonna get the tip of the fan brush, and I'm gonna go with a white shade again down my nose, just to make her pop like a pussy on Times Square. And now I'm gonna mix the pink shade with whatever white is left, and I'm gonna grab it from here and take it here like this. And blend it in with my eye down to my cheek. So all this like looks wet. Oh, I can see how wet I am. And I'm not even done highlighting. So now I'm gonna go in with a highlighting brush by e.l.f. and I'm gonna dig in to this white shade and the pink and a little bit of the orange, because why not? And now I'm gonna come and highlight my cheeks. Girl, my skin looks this contour! My face, like my foundation, like airbrushed. Oh, I'm just so wet right now. I can't even talk right. Hi. Okay, eyebrows are lit on, sis. Okay, so let's move into eyes. So for eyes, because the point of the video is not an eye look today, it's for you to learn how to do the basic of your face. So I'm just gonna get this milk little barrel and I'm just gonna put it all over my eyelid, just like to make it one monochromatic holographic color. Just so my eyelids ain't basic, just have real bitches out there, because I do not want to be basic ever in my life. And there we go. That's about it about eyes, just to wake it up and give it a little like holographic effect, which if you see close, he has the purple undertone, which I'm living. A little bit of lashes. Ooh, Hanny, she looks fish already. And it's not even one. Who's daddy? I'm gonna snatch. And it is time just for a final step, and I just to add a little bit of lipstick. And I'm just gonna go in with the Estee Lauder in NV130. And I'm just gonna give my lips a little bit of a color. And this is the finished look. Look at this highlighter. Effect. Oh. And this is the finished effect. Let me go fix my hair real quick and change my outfit, and I'll be right back. Alright, and this is the finished look. I look snatched to Jesus, girl. It's like God came downstairs and gave me a knife himself to cut your hoes with my cheekbones, because this contour is out of fucking control. Anyway, so this is for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you actually learned a thing or two on how to put on your foundation the right way. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it was kind of like educational for y'all on how to put on foundation. And I will soon do a video on how for you to contour the right way, and you can snatch a bitch or her man, whatever you feel like. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. It will really help me, and subscribe to join the biggest, baddest bitch of a family on YouTube. And don't forget, I love y'all so much, and thank you for watching, and I will guys see you very, very soon on the next one. Bye.